Hello, Fly Babies. Today is Sunday, Renew Your Spirit Day. I'm FlyLady Kat, and today I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. All right, so it is Sunday. It is Renew Your Spirit Day. We're going to get up before the children at our designated hour. No one is in charge of getting you up but you. Get up and do your morning routine. Then get the children up. They can't sleep in today. You're going to services. All right, so get them up. Everybody has their morning routine down pat. Everyone's dressed and ready to go. Go and enjoy. When you come back, you're going to feel so refreshed. And now we're going to go ahead and have a nice family dinner. After dinner, we're going to have our after dinner routine. Now, we are not doing any laundry or paperwork today. We are not doing any zones today. We're not doing any basic weekly plan except enjoying Renew Our Spirit Day. All right, later in the day when it's quiet, I want you to look at your planner and kind of plan going forward to next week, to your next planning day. So I want you to make sure that everything is the same, or if anything's changed, that you edit that. Make sure you update your planner if there's some things you've left out. Maybe you forgot to put your zone in for next week. Next week is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. That's the main bathroom and one other room. Or maybe you need to put in your plan, the days, what the basic weekly plan is for the day. Like Monday is a weekly home blessing hour. Don't forget that. Tuesday is your free day. Wednesday is your planning and desk day. Maybe you need to put your menu in there. Maybe you messed it up a little bit this week or didn't eat some things you had planned. So maybe you want to edit that a little bit. But edit it and make sure it's up to date. And then, so tonight when you look at it, you're going to know exactly what to do tomorrow, okay? And then tonight we're going to do our before bed routine, starting with the children. The children are going to do their, well, I'm going to tell you one thing. You always clean up clutter 3 times a day. You don't clean it up. The whole family is on clutter check. So we're all going to check for clutter to keep this house from having a deluge of clutter overwhelming us, drowning us again. We're going to keep it at bay so we never ever have to declutter again. So you're doing your 3rd clutter check in the evening. You did one in the morning before church and one when you came back kind of around lunchtime. Okay, now we did our final clutter check. Now it's time for the children to go to bed. So they're going to pick up their toys and their stuff, and you're going to inspect what you expect, or you're going to oversee that if they're tiny. Then they're going to go pick out their PJs, go in the bathroom, put their dirty clothes in the hamper, take their bath, brush their teeth, take care of their hair, put on their pajamas. What else do they do in there? Make sure the towels are hung up. They've wiped out the sink from the toothpaste. Towels are hanging up to dry. Bathroom looks nice the way they found it. Little toys are out of the tub, things like that. Next, they're going to go to bed with the book that they've picked out, or books, and read or be read to. And then that's it. Now it's time for you. So you're going to look at your planner, pick out your clothes according to tomorrow's plan, your jewelry, your shoes, get it all laid out. Then you're going to go in the kitchen and you're going to make sure that all the dishes are in the dishwasher and the dishwasher is now running, or that all the dishes in the sink have been washed and put away so you have a clean, empty sink. You're going to wipe the sink out and put out a fresh towel. Turn the lights off, close the curtains or blinds, whatever you do at night, and then go take your bath, wash your hair if you need to, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on your pajamas, put your dirty clothes away, either in the laundry, we'll put them in the laundry, or hang up anything that's still clean. Go to bed, relax with whatever it is that you relax with, a book, a video, television, talking to your husband, etc. Then at the designated hour, close your eyes, roll over, cuddle in, and go to sleep. We'll see you in the morning. That's all there is for today. Always remember that you are beautiful.